All right, you take over, Chris. All right, what's up, techies? Josh here, and I've got the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel Watch 2. I'm pretty excited about this. It was an ordeal just even getting this. First of all, I was on fall break with my kids down at the beach, and my luck, as usual, is that the package was scheduled to be delivered while we were out of town. So delivery attempt number 1 was attempted, and then so then I went online, got it requested to be held at the FedEx station, and that was yesterday. All right, fast forward to today. I checked the status of everything, and they said that they were going to send this back to the sender. I'm like, no. And then, all right, so long story short, I don't want to dwell too much on this, but I have to share this story, the experience with you. My wife got ahead of me. We were driving separate, all that kind of stuff. She got in town before I did, got to the FedEx location literally in the nick of time. The worker was able to grab it off the cart that was fixing to be loaded off onto the whatever truck to go back to Google. So I'm like, oh, I was just really glad and relieved that this is here now. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I went ahead, I watched a few other unboxings because I was super curious to see what the package was potentially going to be like. So I know that this is just basically the boxes of the stuff that's inside here. I'm going to put this aside because I want to be surprised with which color I got. I'm not even sure which color I prefer. Normally I get like the white colors kind of often, and I don't know. We'll see. The blue looks cool, the matte black looks nice, but I'm never mad at white. I love white devices, so we'll see how this goes. All right, so this is what you get for being part of Team Pixel. This is not what you get if you order this. And if you do want to order it, there'll be a link down below in the video description. I got my buddy here, Chris. He's going to help unbox this. Chris, you use the Pixel all the time to record videos, right? Yep. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's take a look around. Pretty cool presentation.
Got an 8 on it.
Big ol' 8 on it. What color do you think is in here? There's black, white, or blue.
Blue.
You think it's gonna be blue? What do you think? What do you think? You gotta call it. What color? Blue!
I saw the watch.
That's cool, yeah. All right, so we got some sort of note here. Here we go. So I got virtual training coming up in a few hours. Looking forward to that. Blue. Do you like blue? Blue looks pretty cool. It's called Bay Blue. Concierge service for being part of Team Pixel. And the blue watch. So here's side by side, real quick. Let's put this back together. Pretty cool bag. All right, so here's the Pixel 8 Pro box. Someone opened it already. It's pretty much, yeah. Gonna have paperwork, adapter for transferring data, and our USB-C to C cable. So I'm just gonna keep all that in there because I already have that kind of stuff.
Yeah. I got the box of this.
Here's the Pixel 2, Pixel Watch 2, I should say, watch box. Looks like this is the charger. It's got a lightning bolt on it. It's a little different this year. This actually has like some connecting pins on it. So, and I prefer that because on this one, like it would slide around and stuff. So I like that. That's gonna be helpful. And then this is probably different size bands here. I'm not sure what size is what. So let's.
Probably it's my size.
You think it's your size? I think this is the longer one, so I'm gonna put that one on.
How do you put it on?
There's a little button right here that you press down, and then you slide it off. And then you take the new one, start at an angle.
Which phone that you like? The Pixel 7 or the Pixel 8?
I'm probably gonna like the Pixel 8 more because it's new. It's got a lot of new features on it.
Which watch that you like, this one or the one that you have one on now.
I don't know. I haven't used it yet. It's probably going to be this one, though. Do you like the white band or the blue band better?
I like the blue.
You like the blue one better?
Yeah.
Do you like the blue band matching the blue phone, I should say?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the blue a lot.
Yeah, me too.
You do it too? All right, let's take this off. It actually has like a hint of a blue side too.
Yeah.
You like that? Should we power it on?
Yeah.
It vibrated. This is cool. Since the Pixel Fold has been out, I've been using it in place of my Pixel 7 Pro. I don't know if I want to do comparisons between like the Fold and the new Pixel 8 Pro because it's just two different kinds of devices, but we'll see. All right, so the fun part is setting it all up and getting to use it. What are you looking forward to seeing with this?
Like the settings of it.
You want to see the settings?
Yeah.
What else you want to check out? What about the camera?
I want to see it.
You want to see the camera?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to get this all set up. We just unboxed it. That's what this video is. And see what color we got. And get it all set up so I can use it. Thanks for watching. Links below. And stay tuned to the channel and stuff like that for more stuff. What are you doing over here?